In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete PayPal from Stan's store. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can safely remove PayPal as a payment option from your store. This is useful if you've switched to a different payment provider, you're reorganizing how customers pay you, or you simply don't want PayPal connected to your account anymore. First, go ahead and log into your Stan Store account using your usual login details. Once you're in your dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a menu there, and one of the options will be Settings. Click on Settings to open your main configuration area. When the settings page loads, you'll notice several tabs or options along the top of the page. Look for the tab labeled Payments and click on that. This is where all of your connected payment methods are managed. Inside the Payments section, you should see a list of your current payment methods. One of these will be PayPal, displayed as its own card or row. Take a moment to double check that this is the correct account you want to remove, especially if you manage multiple payment options. On the right side of the PayPal card, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is your More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. A small drop-down menu will appear with a few choices related to managing that PayPal connection. From that drop-down, select Disconnect Account. This is the command that tells Stan Store to remove PayPal from your payment methods. In most cases, you won't need to confirm a second time, but make sure you're comfortable disconnecting it, because customers will no longer be able to use PayPal at checkout once this is done. After you click Disconnect Account, wait for the page to reload. Give it a few seconds. Don't worry if it takes a moment. When the page finishes refreshing, look again at your list of payment methods under the Payments tab. You should now see that PayPal is no longer listed. That's your confirmation that the disconnection worked and that PayPal has been successfully removed from your Stan Store payment options. If you ever change your mind later, you can always return to the same payments area and reconnect a PayPal account or add other payment methods as needed. And that's all there is to it. Your PayPal has now been deleted from Stan Store.